Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are fine. And this video we're going to show you how to install Docker on your Linux. Whether you're using Ubuntu, Fedora, and etc. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, open your browser, and type download Docker for Ubuntu. If you're using Ubuntu, and follow the first link. Here's the installation guide. First of all, go here. Open your terminal and type this command: sudo space apt-get update. After running this command, you have to run this command, and after that, run this command in your terminal. All the commands you have to run in your terminal, and run this command in your terminal again. After the previous command, you have to run this command. Docker is installed. When you run the command accordingly, showing in this documentation. If this method is not working for you, then no problem. This and the method which is install docker ca. You have to run this command. After that, this command, and after this command, and after running the previous command, you have to follow this command, right? This is for Ubuntu, but what about the other? If you are using CentOS, click this CentOS. Here is the all guide for CentOS, guys. Here's the Debian guide, Fedora, Ubuntu, and other etc. Whatever distro you are using of Linux, you just need to open this page and read the documentation and follow instructions according to your distro. I hope you will find it useful in going more forward in the DevOps. So for now, I hope you learned something and found some great resources, and for now, bye.